It's Monday. Gizmo Duck came today. Got 2 packages from Target. Ordered 3. Anxious to see how those are going to turn out. I'll be waiting on Mom to come downstairs so we can embark on our journey. Today we're looking for, I forgot. I got a couple pre-orders at GameStop. Looking for the Pink Panther Marvel Legends. I still want to grab me a Taz from anywhere, it's common. I want to go to FYE and check on my pre-order for the Trap Jar. See if they have a date.
Black Panther, the chase?
No, we got that already. Both of them. I don't know what else, man. Hopefully y'all had a great weekend. Y'all see that game with the Vikings? Ooh-wee. I know some Saints people out there is salty. Huh? All right, let's get on this hunt and see what we can find. Yo, what's good everybody? Back at the crib. Today, I'm not gonna say today was a total bust, but I only found one of the things I was looking for. My pre-orders haven't come in yet for GameStop. I pre-ordered Gizmo from Emperor's New Groove. I'm excited about that. Hopefully I get the chase for that. I definitely need Kronk and I need the Emperor. I'm not too much worried about the llama, but I need the Emperor and I need Kronk and I need the chase Gizmo. And the common Gizmo. Hopefully they do a second wave to this when she comes out as a cat. Emperor's New Groove is one of me and the kids' favorite movies. It's hilarious, so I'm excited about that chase. I'm excited about those pops. BrickSeek. I couldn't rely on BrickSeek today. BrickSeek told me that my Walmart had 6 of the Pink Panther, that's what they call it. The Pink Panther Marvel Legends pop. Marvel Legends. I didn't get that. I'll find it. It's not gonna be a big deal to get that. Before we get into today's haul and the unboxing, in the last video I did pick up a pop, but I forgot to show it. I picked up the Common and Morton Joe. I was watching this movie last night, and just seeing this pop in the movie last night reminded me of how dope this pop is, man. Just the detail alone on the mask is dope. I got the chase right here with the unmasked with the mouth showing and tongue hanging out, but even the Common is dope. So I forgot to show this last time. Morton Joe. The pop that I got that I forgot to show was actually given to me. The homie Chasing Rob, Secret Santa, He sent me a pop that I wasn't able to find. Shout out to him, Chase and Rob. If you hadn't checked out his channel, please check it out. There's only a couple chases that I haven't been able to find. The Riddler, the Joker with the kisses, Sub-Zero. It's a few others that I haven't been able to. Dopey. But this one right here, I wasn't able to find. And the homie sent this to me for a Secret Santa. And it's the Sapper. I just like it, man. I don't know anything about it, but just the pop alone is just dope. I showed this on the live stream. I didn't actually put this on the video, so I wanted to show you guys this. Yeah, it's dope. Sapper from Blade Runner. Jason Rob, I appreciate you, brother. Yours is coming. I see you picked up another item that I fucking wanted for you, so I'm done, bruh. Like, goddamn, what else can I do? So today we set out for 2 items. We set out to go find the Taz, and we set out to go find the pink, purple Black Panther. Wasn't able to do that, but I was able to find a Taz. To me, this is one of the dopest ones from the line. I do want Sylvester and Tweety. I remember vividly the cartoon from the opera scene, Bugs and Elmer Fudd. I mean, who doesn't remember that? Daffy, I'm not too big on finding that. Bugs Bunny, again, I'm not too big on wanting that. But the Taz I had to have with the tornado, the smoke at the bottom, dope. Only thing is, looks like they use the same body style, upper torso for the Taz. Matter of fact, let's go get the Taz. Be right back. So here we go, the Taz. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. All they did was use the mouth and the no, it looks like a different. Let's pull them out. Let's see how it looks. All right, so now that we got it unboxed, here's the Chase Taz with the Tornado Taz. And as you can see, they look damn near the same. It's a slight difference. You can tell. On the hair piece on this one is one piece. You can take this off and remove it. It was glued on. This is actually included in the mold of the head sculpt. It's got a little bit of weight to it. The Tornado looks good. I like it. This is probably one of the best pops in the wave. I had to have it. This is just classic Taz to me. It's actually bigger. So yeah. Either way, I'm happy with it. Taz. I'll probably keep this one out of box. Just because of the way it looks, man. I like it. So yeah. Alright, so as you see back there, I couldn't wait any longer. I had to do the unboxing, so the pops are already unboxed, but here we go. We're gonna get into the Gizmo duck. I thought it would be like a freestanding without a stand, but it has a standalone base that comes with it. Gizmo duck, already unboxed it. I wanted this pop so bad. I pre-ordered 3. Here's the second one right here. Still boxed up. It was packaged well. The boxes came undamaged, but just the paint app alone is just terrible. Looks like it was painted with a brush. You can see the brush strokes. You can see the yellow bleeding behind the purple. Pop reminded me of my childhood. I had to have it, but seeing it now, it doesn't give me the same feeling as it did with He-Man. I thought I was gonna gasp at like, finally I had it, but it wasn't the same feeling. It's just not what I thought. So I took one back already. There's no need for 3. Yeah, Gizmo duck. I'm not happy about this one though. The glams definitely look better. Maybe a 6-inch would have made me feel better about it. I don't know. But I'm not happy at all with this. My paint app is terrible. Didn't transcend well to pop form from glams, in my opinion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yours and it came well and you had a better experience with it or better feeling with it, but with me and this pop, no. No, not at all. That's it, guys. Quick, short video. I apologize. A little heads up. Be mindful when you're doing trades, people. I did trade again, and I think I got fucked over again. I finally found someone with a Hordak. I've been looking for Spyco and Hordak to complete my Masters of the Universe wave. I finally found somebody that wanted to do a trade. The communication was well up until it was time for him to send his, his box. We communicated the whole way through. He sent me pictures of the boxing, my name, the pop, what have you. I did the same. I get there, I send the tracking. Normally I wait, but I was so excited I wanted to get the transaction complete. I emailed him proof of the receipt of me sending the pops with the tracking number. I also text him the tracking number, and I haven't heard from him. So if you're out there and you watching this, karma, man. Karma will get you, man. Ain't nothing I can do. I'm not gonna bash you. I'm not gonna put your name out there. I'm not gonna talk down upon you, but karma. This toy community they stand behind each other, man. So do right. If I put your name out there, you will get blasted, but I'm not looking for that. So do right by me. I did right by you. If you don't, hey, enjoy the pops. But that's all I can say about that. Anyway, guys, that's it. Quick video. I apologize. I'm sorry. Hopefully I have something for y'all later this week. Nothing's out. My pre-orders haven't come in yet. The area is dry. Well, it's not dry. It's just I have everything that's already out, that's coming out. I did trades for it, so nothing I can do until something comes out. If you're watching this, you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, hold on. Guys, I got 3,000 views. Sometimes my videos hit 1,000 views, sometimes 2,000, whatever. But I get like 100 likes. The same amount of time that it takes for you to click on the video, hit the like button, man. Show me some love. Let me see something. They say the likes transition over to how your video is shared on YouTube, blase. I don't know. But I want to do an experiment. I want to see the likes go up on this video. Hopefully, I see a difference in how it's viewed. I don't know. But hit the like button, people, please. I say in every video, nobody does it. Only 100 of you do it. Hit the like button, man. Show me some love, man. Hit the like button. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one.